It's time for another cool tool review. This time we're going to take a look at one of the most hardcore, straight up tools I've ever reviewed on this show. This is a cordless reciprocating saw, or a Sawzall. This particular one is a compact brushless model from DeWalt. I paid $132 for it on Amazon. I've got links for this particular one, plus batteries and the blades, all in the show notes. You can think of this as an automatic hacksaw. You put in a blade either vertically or horizontally, lock it in, and when you squeeze the trigger, you get a sawing motion that you can ramp up and down depending on how much you squeeze. Just like a hacksaw, you can get a range of blades for cutting different materials, big teeth for wood or landscaping, or smaller, tighter teeth for metal and plastic. When I had work done on my house last year, I rarely saw the crew without a Sawzall like this nearby. They're awesome for ripping things apart and jamming into tight places. Unlike a circular saw or portable bandsaw, you can just poke this thing right into the spot you need. But as macho as this tool is, I bought it for something pretty silly, breaking down the plastic body of this kid's ride-on car so that I can fit it onto my new go-kart chassis. I've been trying to do this with a Dremel, a drill, a hacksaw, you name it. This has been the most effective tool I've found yet. At high speed with a small tooth blade, this will cut through the plastic car like butter without the fumes and fine dust created by other techniques. That said, this tool falls on the more dangerous side of power tools in my opinion. There's no guard on the blade, there's nothing to stop it from cutting you if it drops. In some ways, it's like a little mini chainsaw, so give it your respect and be careful. That's a quick look at this cordless reciprocating saw. You can pick one up using the link in the description, and you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.